Hey babes!
I am a baby doll.
Welcome back to my channel. So I am so happy to share with you my Sunday morning beat. I would say this is like a pretty fall makeup look with like a touch of rose gold, because you already know rose gold is my favorite color or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and comment down below if you want to see more of my Sunday beats. I am excited about this mini series. If you guys want me to do it, I'll do a month's worth of Sunday beats, and I'll post them every Sunday so you can catch them before you go to worship. Okay, so I love you, and I can't wait to see my next one. It doesn't matter what they think or say, just continue to wake, pray, grind, and slay.
If I ever took a loss, I learned a lesson. I won't ever think I'm better than the next man. I've been down before to come up, I ain't stressing. Baby, I'm too busy counting all these blessings.